Question 16. Outline 4 advantages of open office layout. Cheap to construct, easy to locate workers, discourages absenteeism, encourages teamwork, easy to decorate, easy to clean, easy supervision of workers. Question 17. The following information relates to Nyandarua stores as at 31st December year 2023. Cash, the creditor's amount, bank overdraft, furniture and fittings, premises, cash at bank, AFC loan. Prepare a balance sheet as at 31st December year 2023. This is how you prepare a balance sheet. Question 18. State the level of production that matches the following occupations. Carpentry, that is secondary. Laboring, that is primary. Fishing, that is primary. Banking, that is tertiary. Question 19. Outline 4 methods of government involvement in a business. Regulation, training, creation of an enabling environment, trade promotion, provision of goods and services. Question 20. Outline 3 causes of unemployment in Kenya. Unfavorable government policies, rapid population growth, inadequate capital, lack of entrepreneurial culture, inappropriate technology. Question 21. State 4 classification of goods produced in an economy. Perishable and durable goods, finished and intermediate goods, public and private goods, producer and consumer goods. Question 22. State 3 motives that would make a person retain part of his wealth in cash. Transaction motive, precautionary motive, speculative motive. You're only asked 3, so those are 3. Question 23. State 4 sources of a business idea. Newspapers and magazines, recycling waste products, listening to what people say, hobbies, brainstorming, improving an existing business. Question 24. State the account to be debited and credited from the following transactions. Bought a motor van in cash, 700,000. Debit is motor van, credit is cash. Paid minor by check, 6,000 shillings, minor bank. Converted is house to business premises, debit is premises, credit is capital. Took 7,000 shillings from the bank for business use, cash, bank. Question 25. Highlight 4 internal diseconomies of scale to a firm as a result of expansion. Managerial. As firms expand, the contact between the top management and the staff becomes minimal. This may result in lack of proper supervision and guidance of workers, leading to inefficiency. Overproduction. Increased output results in lower prices This may result in lower profit earnings. Scarcity of factors of production. When a farm expands, it requires more factors of production. The farm will compensate with other farms for the available factors by, for instance, offering higher wage, which is a disadvantage to the farm. 4. That is technical. If a farm is not operating at a full capacity, some of the resources and equipment will not be fully employed. This increases the cost per unit of output. 5. Production interruptions. Due to greater division of labor and specialization, the stages in the production process becomes very interdependent. This means a problem in one stage leads to the stoppage of the whole process. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.